Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on clove. Cloves are small aromatic spice buds from a tree. They are usually brown and have strong sweet smell. Cloves grow in warm countries like Indonesia and India. They are used to add flavor to food, especially in cooking and baking. Cloves can be added to soups, stews, and even desserts. They are also used in making tea and hot drinks. Cloves are very good for health and are used in medicine. They can help with tooth pain and stomach problems. The clove tree has shiny green leaves and small flowers. Cloves are important in many cultures for both cooking and healing. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.